Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're having a great weekend. Welcome to Top 5 Niches of the Week, episode 70. I've got 5 new print-on-demand niches for you to target this week and hopefully make you some sales. Niche number 1 and number 2 are exploding off the charts, and anybody who caught the end of my Friday video got a head start, so it pays to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon because I know the people that caught that Friday video know what I'm talking about, and hopefully you guys have been reaping the benefit of me giving you a preview of what one of the top 5 niches of the week was going to be. So why don't we get started? Real quick, let's announce last week's free print-on-demand giveaway winners. If this looks like your email address, stay on the lookout for an email from me later today. I'll tell you how you can redeem all of your prizes. Congratulations to the winners, and this week's print-on-demand giveaway is officially open. You should just go ahead and enter it right now. There's a link in the description, or you can just go to ryanhogue.com/giveaway. Also, while you're in the description, if you haven't signed up for my 8-day free print-on-demand mini course, go ahead and do that. I send you 1 lesson a day over 8 days to help you get your print-on-demand business started. Also, I've got a great print-on-demand Facebook group community. If you would like to join, I'd love to have you there. All you have to do is click the link and apply. All right, let's get to these niches. Niche number 1, and I alluded to this earlier as number 1, a niche that's exploding in sales, and number 2, one that I basically gave away on Friday. Now, I thought that maybe there wasn't enough time to target this dot day niche because it's on September 15th. But then I went to the International Dot Day website because I wanted to learn a little bit more about this because it is absolutely exploding in sales. Like the sales velocity that these shirts are doing is just crazy, and it seemingly came out of nowhere. And notice right here above me where I'm pointing, September 15-ish. So it's not just one day. It sounds like you can celebrate Dot Day, beyond September 15th, which if this was just like a normal holiday, I may not care. But because of the number of shirts that are under 100,000 BSR, this one needs to be taken really seriously. There's also a lot of potential to make some really cool looking new shirts if you are if you have any talent as a graphic designer, because as I'm going to show you, well, actually, I guess I didn't capture too many of them in this video, but like part of the Dot Day designs are people were making like actual graphics, like they were making T-Rexes out of dots and other cool graphics of like animals, the popular ones, unicorns, etc. Sloths even, you know what I mean? Just whatever comes to mind that sells t-shirts year round, go ahead and make one out of dots and post it to Merch by Amazon and see what happens, because there are people making a killing right now. But niche number 1, I'm going to say, is the set of keywords, make your mark, see where it takes you. And I actually just cut the video and triple checked that this wasn't trademarked, because doesn't it sound like one that might be? So I just checked, it is not trademarked. I checked make your mark to see if that was, and no, we're good to go. So this should be safe. We should be all good to target this niche. And the reason I'm going to actually split this up into 2 different niches in the top 5 this week is because, guys, like if you're not familiar with how the Amazon algorithm works, like you can target one set of keywords that customers are searching for, which in this case may be make your mark or make your mark, see where it takes you. Then you can target another set of keywords, and you'll see what the second set of keywords is going to be in niche number 2. But I just wanted to show you guys the BSRs here are crazy. You have a 400K BSR, 6,000 BSR, 900K BSR, 9,800 BSR, and there's even more. Page 1 was just dominant with low BSRs. This one from Flying Research, you can see since September 2nd, has just been trending like really, really well, increasing sales velocity day over day over day, $16.99 price point, so making a healthy $2 and change, royalty almost $3 per sale. All right, niche number 2, we're staying in the same niche, generally speaking, but this is going to be Happy Dot Day or International Dot Day or just Dot Day. When you are doing your primary keywords, meaning the keywords in your title, don't just jam in like keyword stuffing random words. Put phrases that you think people would actually search for in the Amazon search bar. Okay, so if it's Happy Dot Day, there you go. Put those 3 words in succession, in line. And then you get a phrase match, which is going to increase the likelihood of Amazon's algorithm associating you with what someone searches for should they type in those keywords. If you need assistance in figuring out what phrases people are searching for, I mean, number 1, you can always check out Flying Research. They do give you keywords to target in the bottom when you click each shirt. Number 2, check out AMZ Suggestion Expander. It's a free Chrome extension. You don't need to pay. And what it does is when you go to Amazon and start searching for things, it will expand and build out the autocomplete. So you'll get keywords before, keywords after, you get more long tail suggestions. And again, it is free. Okay. I'll even link to it in the description in case you guys want to check it out. Hopefully most of you guys are already subscribed to my channel and you're already using it. But so here we go. Happy.day. You see BSRs, 140,000, 54,000, 72,000, 80,000. I mean, come on. Look at those BSRs. Like, that's crazy. And this is just one row of shirts. Also, that T-Rex design is really cool. I wonder if there's like a tool that you can use to create those. I'm assuming there probably is. There was a video I did like last year, almost a year ago, actually, probably just about a year ago. And it was like the word cloud design generator, another free tool that could help you make the word clouds, where it's like a design, but it's filled in with words. And, you know, whoever built that tool probably can tweak it to make it able to create designs with dots instead of words. But check that out. I don't know if it exists or not, but if you go find that video of mine, the word cloud one, you may be able to figure out if it's possible with these sort of design style. You could also do a clipping mask. Like, this design honestly sucks. I mean, it doesn't suck. If it's your design, I apologize. But like, look at how basic this design is. They typed out .day in white text. They added a really thick, ugly blue, like an ugly color neon blue, like 5-pixel stroke to each letter that looks disgusting. And then they did a clipping mask of some dots. And this has a 14,000 BSR. Okay, so if you're doing Amazon merch and you're struggling and you're thinking like, I don't know if I can succeed at Amazon merch, look at this guy. Like, this is like I'm new to graphic design and this is my first day type design. And they have a 14,000 BSR. So if they can do it, I'm confident you can do it too. All right. And that wasn't meant to be taking shots at this design, but you got to call a spade a spade. Like, this is not a good design, and 14,000 BSR. So enough said. All right. Niche number 3, moving away from .day. And this one came out of nowhere as well. I don't know if it's like from a TV show or what. I have no clue. But it says FEFFUYOUCSEEK. K-A-Y. And then at the bottom it says Y-W-H-Y-O-H-Y-O-U. So F-U-C-K-Y-O-U with a graphic design in the middle. And of course it's a sunset in the middle. And anybody who doesn't have at least one good sunset graphic to use as like a baseline for your designs, I don't care how you get one, just get one. The sunsets, they sell all day. They sell year round. They sell in any niche. You need to get at least one. And if you don't know where to go to get one, I would make a recommendation to just consider an All Sunsets membership. It's $2. Wait, let me do the math real quick. It's Sunday morning. I'm still waking up. I still got my coffee next to me. It's $3 a month. Okay, for a year. So I'll put a link in the description, guys. They also sponsor the weekly giveaways, so shout out to them. But they will give you endless options, including like the Bigfoot sunset that you see there, 2 over from the right. You don't even have to make like the custom sunset. They give you like 10 different, or even more maybe, Bigfoot sunsets. So, okay, just wanted to plug them real quick because these sunsets, they sell so well. Look at the BSRs on this niche: 23,000, 87,000, 61,000, 27,000. I don't even know what this niche is. Look how well it's selling. I didn't think this was going to be a good week for print on demand niches. I thought it would just be like an average week. No, out of nowhere, we've got .day and FUCKYOU. I don't know where that came from, but it's selling extremely well. All right. But sometimes you don't need to know. The customers are showing us by purchasing shirts. And then of course, Amazon with the bestseller rank is letting us know what is working. All right. So here you go from Flying Research. By the way, check out all the cool designs. This one's like an elephant on a square sunset with a distressed effect. I really like that design, and it has an 11,000 BSR. So really well done there. All right. Whoops, I went up instead of down. Here we go. Niche number 4. And this is Sunday Fun Day. Now, be careful with Sunday Fun Day, because if you're looking at competitors, there's definitely a lot of Sunday Fun Day shirts that are, and by the way, Sunday Fun Day is kind of like, you know, you go out and you brunch with your friends, you get maybe a little drunk on some alcohol or on some adult beverages. I do try to keep it kind of PG-13 on the channel. For the most part, but you guys know I love my football. So when I see Sunday Fun Day, I'm like, all right, yeah, Sunday is game day. We got NFL kickoff today. You guys already know I'm excited, but Sunday Fun Day shirts are selling quite well right now. I don't know if this is going to carry on into the week. Typically NFL kickoff, and by the way, don't say NFL, don't reference any of the teams. Of course, you guys already know that. What I was going to warn you is that a lot of your competitors may be doing that. Don't get cute. There's no need to. We know that Amazon merch, even if they let you through the cracks with a shirt that may be construed as infringing on any NFL team, even if you get it through, eventually it's going to get taken down and you're going to get penalized. So do not do that, okay? But Sunday Funday is selling quite well right now. And it's not nearly as good as the first 3 niches, but hey, look at these BSRs, 500K, 200K, 600K, 200K, 300K. All right, and here you go. By the way, like you can tell a lot of these Sunday Funday shirts, they try to match the colors of NFL teams. For the most part, that's probably fine. They're just colors. They're just hex codes. There's no such thing as a hex code that's not allowed to be used because somebody else used it before you. You know what I mean? Have you guys ever heard of that? I haven't. So anyways, the Sunday Funday and the hex codes matching a similar color scheme to one that may be recognizable to people that root for a certain team in a certain area, probably okay. I just wouldn't go and mention the area or the team. I mean, definitely not the team, but even the area, I think you may be rolling the dice there. So just be careful, all right? Like if you're going to go after this, don't get cute. You know my advice, don't get cute. And you're going to see a lot of people when you do your research getting cute. Just because they did it doesn't mean you should. Also, this shirt has a please order a size up if you prefer a relaxed fit tee. Yeah, that's like an old thing that you used to be able to do. You can't do that anymore. So don't do anything like that where you say please order a size up or anything like that in Amazon merch. All right, niche number 5. And we're getting back into the political realm because, hey, if the shirts are moving, like I'm going to put it out there for you guys to target. So this is, by the way, this should look familiar. It's one that was selling well with Trump. So anybody who, again, was thinking long term, with the Trump stuff, wrote all the Trump niches down and then just said, in 1 year, we're going to flip it to Biden. You know what I mean? And people got out ahead of it. They literally took the Trump niches and said, pro-America, anti-Trump. And they said, okay, pro-America, anti-Biden. And look at the BSRs, pro-America, anti-Biden. 140,000, 200,000, 70,000, 300,000. And these political shirts, you guys already know. They sell year-round, page 1 dominated, and make sure you guys subscribe. I'm going to do a video on how you can crank out a bunch of Biden t-shirts quickly, efficiently, not using automation. You can do it manually or using automation. I'm going to show you both ways this week, and I'm going to show you where you can get some really nice, brand new Biden graphics for those of you that can relate to not having graphic design abilities in the upper tier. I'm not a great graphic designer is what I'm trying to say. All right, so here we go. Pro-America, anti-Biden. This design has been up for a while, the one that Flying Research put on my radar, but it has a 48,000 BSR, 250,000 BSR on March 19th. And just check out the BSR history. I mean, this shirt has been making sales and wavering between, let's say, 150,000 BSR and 400,000 BSR for the most part. But then with the recent kind of mainstream media flipping on Biden and not being as favorable, swaying public opinion because people love TV and I don't know why. I hate TV. You know what I mean? Think for yourself, be a critical thinker, and life will be more kind to you. I promise. I know you guys already know that. My audience is awesome, but tell a friend. But here we go. We can see the BSR kind of rolling with the mainstream media with the flipping of not liking Biden as much and his approval rating not being great. So the anti-Biden stuff obviously has been selling really well lately, more than the pro-Biden stuff. All right, seller trends. Here we go. This is from Flying Research. These are shirts that have had a big jump in BSR recently. It doesn't necessarily mean that these are going to be really great selling trends in the near term. Sometimes it's just, a shirt that had a crappy BSR that just jumped big time. Also, be really careful with like game day shirts like that. You know, a lot of that is like people trying to target certain colleges. And if you're going to do it, just do not mention any college names for sure. It's okay. Like location plus game day, that's fine. But just don't mention any school names or anything like that. No team names, etc. The axolotl questions and gamesalotl, I don't get where all this is coming from. It looks like a Pokemon to me, but I know we looked it up and it's actually real. Those are still selling well. Coolest pumpkin in the patch with Halloween coming, of course. The 9/11 shirts, that's already passed yesterday, so definitely don't sell any of those. And And you got a fireman costume here. If anybody needs inspiration for Halloween, check out the shirt right behind me. That's pretty cool. All right, looking ahead, if you want to sell shirts related to seemingly random holidays, check out October 12th, National Gumbo Day, October 13th, National Fossil Day, October 14th, National Dessert Day, October 15th, Bosses Day, and October 16th, Dictionary Day. All right, and one bonus shirt that I selected while doing my research, check this out. It says, my lucky soccer shirt. Don't wash it. Or it says, my lucky soccer shirt, do not wash. Number one, I love the font that they used in this shirt. It's just a great font. The way they curve the text too around the ball looks great. The ball graphic looks good. They didn't make a black shirt, by the way. So that probably stands out in search results because we know most shirts show up by default on the black thumbnail. Also, what I really liked about this shirt is that you can scale this out very easily. Like you can change the word soccer to something else, and you can remove the graphic. And then if you wanted to use AutomatePOD, you know, at AutomatePOD.com, the Chrome extension, you could just have it swap in and out the word soccer with any other number of things that people like. My lucky paintball shirt, my lucky football shirt, my lucky gymnastics shirt. You know what I mean? And you can make hundreds of these. So if you've got the upload slots to spare, why not, you know, or push them to a place like Redbubble, you know what I mean, where you get like 50 or 60 uploads a day. All right, deleted designs brought to you by Merch Ninja. Before I actually show you those, I wanted to show you an example of what not to do. This shirt says Badger on Saturday, Packer on Sunday. Yeah, I don't know how this shirt got through initially, but I'm sure if it's not removed already, it will be very soon. Definitely do not do this. This is like targeting a college football team and an NFL team. Not a good strategy. Definitely going to get this person's account closed, most likely. All right, and here are some deleted designs brought to you by Merch Ninja. You can just hit pause if you want to check them out and see if anything stands out to you that you may need to watch out for. If you have never used Merch Ninja, number one, enter the weekly print-on-demand giveaway because you can win a license to it. Number two, you can scroll through the removed designs for as long as you want. You'll notice, though, look at how many NFL teams are being ripped off. Someone did Tennessee Titans, Vegas Raiders. It's weird that they're not in Oakland anymore. They did the Vikings. They did Star Wars. Guys, come on, don't do that. The Baby Shark one's always getting removed. Yeah, be careful with your account, guys. All right, here we go. And before we wrap up, just wanted to announce this week's giveaway. So this is my print-on-demand mega pack brought to you or sponsored by Merch Titans Automation. I'm actually running my Merch Titans uploader right now while I record this. Merch Ninja research tools, similar to Flying Research for bringing you print-on-demand niches. All Sunsets premium graphics to help you with your designs. You already know the niche number 3, the FUCKYOU. And I'm not saying that, I'm just saying what the niche is. Remember, it's EFFYOUSEEKAY, right? So if you need any sunsets, because pretty much all of the best sellers had sunsets involved, you can go to All Sunsets and you should be able to make that money back. Plus, again, when you're filing your taxes, if you spent $36 to generate the income, make sure you deduct the $36 that you invested from your profits when you file. All right, and Bubble Scout, the only Redbubble niche research and validation tool, helping you find those niches on Redbubble to be successful over there. So go to ryanhogue.com/giveaway to enter, guys. Thank you for watching. Before I leave, did want to remind you, I wrote a full print-on-demand course, in-depth tutorials, over 100 lectures for how I make 6-figure print-on-demand sales every single year. You can find out more. Use the link in the description. Thank you for watching, guys. Please hit that like button if you didn't already. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see you guys tomorrow with a new video.